It's high time. What we want to do is not anything spiritual. I'm not praying. I'm not doing anything. It's actually a fun thing, but you realize fun, but you realize the need for it when you're done. So where's the puzzle? So there's a puzzle you need to unscramble. Funny. Bring it. So there's a puzzle here. All right. So you have to work as a team. Are you together? Are you interested? All right. So there are 4 words. I don't hear one. Oh Jesus.
You have done it.
Don't worry. There are 4 words here.
5 words.
5. Sorry. There are 5 words here that you are going to compose together. All right. This is it. There are 5 words. All right. So work as a team.
5 words.
Yes.
Who is the team?
No, you are together. All of you are one team.
5 words.
5 words. Yes. Now, the only clue there is that when you see a word like this that has full stop beside it, it is the last letter of one of the words.
Okay. You guys were starting.
Is the last so that it will help you. There are 5 of these.
So I advise you to arrange all those last words.
When you see this one, you
and
write
then
it
use it to
first.
trace it.
Then you trace it. Alright. So when you are done with it, you understand why you are doing it. Alright. Work together. You can separate them among yourselves.
Okay, calm down. Calm down.
No,
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Please reduce the fan on.
Put all the.
There's one full stop here.
Put there's another.
Then I am with this.
I can't see anything, yo.
It's teamwork.
Work together. Work
All the
together.
last.
All the last
See,
where is the
see, take.
Drake.
Take.
No
Why do you
killer.
have to take it off for now? I
All
can't
the last
see
ones.
anything.
Ah, it's easy to cannot
All
say
the last
anything.
letter.
Can
I
you
thought I
face
saw
us?
the video.
Oh.
But what is this?
Where is N?
Do we have like
there-
There are
Yeah.
5 words.
There
This
are
is
5
last.
words.
This
This is the last. We now said it as.
Where is N?
see?
This is the end, I think.
So it's time to do
Hey,
some
Ogidi
word
gone.
composition.
Wait
Can it be
to
drag?
Drone.
D-R-A-G.
Dre.
Team man the bully.
Dari.
Oh.
How the hell?
Hope you guys can do it. The way you guys are so
Give me
clustered like this.
Wait.
Dari.
Yeah, leave them.
No, let's bring out all the letters.
I
Where
don't
is
type of
he?
spelling Omega Vish.
No, no, this is the end. This is the end.
This is the last.
These are the last letters.
Okay.
Where is
Oh,
N?
there are 5 words, Abby.
See one now.
D-R-A.
Let's
what?
first deal with
There's no
one.
S. Okay.
No. You
No,
know,
you have to
5
go
now.
like this.
all
now.
the words, every
These are the
single
last
word.
words.
The last
These are
word.
the
Yes.
last
I
words.
These
thought
are the
that's
last
the
letters
These
of
are the last
each
letters.
word.
This is like drones.
There are 5
Eh.
words
But
in
it
a
cannot be
sentence.
drone.
You can't be drawn.
Yeah, because this
Is it a name? What is it? Are they
Anything now. I know it's from
no,
It's
the
a proper sentence.
Well, let's look for something that ends with O
It's
or
a
E.
sentence.
It has a
Yes.
noun.
Or
it has
rate.
a
This
proverb.
can be rate.
Listen to the.
It has a noun. It has a proverb.
This can be rate.
It has a.
This
Is
is
it
A.
conjunction normal way? A
A.
proper sentence.
T. That. Shani T.
Date.
We have T.
Yes.
Okay, date.
Is it for 4-letter word?
Do we tell them how many letters?
It's 5 now. 5-letter words.
No,
5-letter
it's
word.
not 5-letter words.
Oh, sorry, not 5-letter
5
words.
words.
5 words. Sentence.
Okay, so
The first word
two
is
of the
two.
words.
Let me give them this first clue so that they will
Okay,
start.
that will be done on
The
time.
first one. The first
See,
word
you're pressing my
is 2
You guys
words.
should find a bigger place to work.
The
This
first
place
word
is too-
is 2 words.
Going is very
The
good.
second
Going is
word
very good.
is 3 words. The second word is 3 letters.
Okay.
The first word is 2 letters. Oh, yeah, let's see. if that-
First word is 2 letters. Second word is 3 letters.
We are.
Third word is.
You've gotten R now.
Mm.
So
You don't tell them
start
anyone
piecing
they've
it
got.
up.
No, we have to
Even
fix one word
Nigeria.
now. I cannot do.
Are we? Is it we are one?
So maybe we. So it will be we. We will be in the beginning.
Yes, W.
Okay.
We go what?
We go up we go.
Kilo play first and second. First is two.
2 words now.
Second
First
one.
is 2,
You
second
said
is.
we are now.
First is 2, second is
What are
3,
the G here?
third is.
Second is 3.
Third is 5.
Second is 3.
We are.
Okay, we are.
Don't guess it, to puzzle everything
Third
together.
is what?
Don't guess it.
And third is
Third
what?
is-
Going.
Third is what? No.
Third is what?
Four.
Third is 5.
5.
5.
What is it for?
Letter N, D, A.
We are.
These are the last words. So. Shall we get divine friends?
We are Dago. Who is Dago?
Keep at it. Third is 5.
5-letter word.
5.
3 is 5.
There's only
Fourth,
one R.
fourth is what?
Somebody
Fourth is
already
2.
said it. Somebody said it now.
Fourth is
Going.
Just talk.
Third
There's
is
no I
5.
in G.
Third is
There
5.
is G now.
We are going.
No,
This
G
is
is
the
the
last
last
word.
word.
No.
They want their last word. Their last
G is
word.
They are
five
all last
now.
words.
They are last.
So we can put
Not-
it
okay.
here.
That's what I'm
Wait,
trying to
sorry,
do.
sorry. I think I know it. I think it's we are going to Canada.
Keep pursuing it.
Keep
Is
pursuing it
there?
first.
Oh yeah, try it, try it.
I told you not to assume anything. What if
To
it's- what if it's
we are going to.
To bá a fi tó sí bí
To-
kan máa ń
Canada.
kó wa lóbi ọbẹ̀ jẹ́.
Two of you. Innocent. It's a lie. Hey! Your shots will not be shouting. Sorry, are you serious?
Well, that's what you go. Let's come out for
I was like. Oh, Jesus.
You guys are not going to meet
I want to cry. Faith, are you serious? Is it
I'll miss all of you. I'll miss all of you.
You want to cry today?
I'm going very, very soon.
Zoom out.
Yeah, I'm going very, 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 very soon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like for life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're very ready,
Yes,
guys.
Pawan.
Mama Zoom this year.
Like they've been planning all this while.
Yes, now over 5 years. Over 5 years.
Wow.
Is it a PR?
Yes, permanent resident.
Wow.
Wow.
This is it.
Wow. What God cannot do does not exist. Delay is not denied.
This is the full.
This is the full. This is the right time.
Delay is not denied at all.
Wow. We got it.
Yeah.
I just know we are going somewhere. No, you can't move.
I'm going to miss one. I'm going to miss one.
No wonder he said, I can't wait to move out of this place on Wednesday. Yeah, we are leaving soon. Leaving is on my mind.
Who said so?
You!
No? I didn't say that.
No, you were saying no. It was yesterday. It was yesterday.
No, but I said I was going to another place.
It was yesterday. You said it too.
Wait, how soon?
Wait,
How
how
soon?
soon? How soon is this? Let's know.
How soon is it so
How soon
soon?
is this soon?
You didn't know it
It's
was
not a
this
month.
Are we
so-
still gonna
It's not going to be a lot.
Wow.
So we're leaving by end of the month.
Jesus.
Wow.
End of this month.
Please, you need to do sense for them. You need to do a plan. See me, what do you think? No, it can't. You have to organize something. No, you have to. They can't go like that. Amazing God, He that keepeth Israel and does not sleep nor slumber. Thank you, Jesus. We will not forget those times. We will forget those times when we used to trek together from church. Lord, we thank you. Now see what you have done. Thank you, Jesus. Lord, we are grateful. Lord, we are grateful. In Jesus' name, we worship you. Let's thank God for what He's about to do. There is more.
So that back your boots on my
This big auntie.
I'll miss you. Who will be showing my wife's clothes fast?
I'm going to miss the credit
We even need to sew clothes. Oh. We need to sew a native. Did you bring it?
Yes, it's in the car actually. Yeah. I don't know how you and Titus appreciate.
This Oglabara. Okay now. Okay now.
Is it 41 years?
No, you have enough time next week.
No. You say tomorrow. Let me read.
After next week, maybe you will have known. I'm at the Dr. Kuro Church.
You come, Joe. And send me $1. Is it $1?
No, we'll be paying for your clothes in dollars. Just be sending them through DHL. Remember, those days before I got married, I stressed revenue. Yes, it was my love of my life. I had many of them. When you came, I had to just be disciplined. Yeah,
one of them.
I mean, many of them. Where is your husband? I need to see.